Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. I am your IT teacher Shahid Ali Khan, and today we have another new video related to integrated development environment, that is related to programming languages. So let's see what we have inside this video. First of all, we have to understand about IDE, Integrated Development Environment. An Integrated Development Environment, IDE, is an application that facilitates application development. In general, an IDE is a graphical user interface based workbench designed to aid a developer in building software applications with an integrated environment combined with all the required tools at one place. In simple word, we can say that IDE means an environment that provides us facility that we can write a programming language program, and on the one place we can compile that program and we will get the output of that program. So all these steps are performed on the same place, so that is called IDE, Integrated Development Environment. The first step that is very important is called text editor. In programming language, text editor is also available. In text editor, you have to write the program. Before IDE, people write program on different text editors. So that was very difficult to write the program, then compile another software, and then you will have the output on other place. So before the IDE, we have to write the program or source code in the text editor. As we can see, there is a text editor. In that text editor, we can write program. After that, you have to compile the program. That is the second step. Compile the program means you have to write source code. We can see there is a source code of C language. And after that, you have to compile and computer will understand. So that cycle or that steps, source code number one, then you have to compile, and after that computer can understand machine code 01. And computer is saying that now I can understand. Now I understand. So these are the steps of compiler. After that, if there is any error or mistake in your program, so you have to debug that error. That technique is called debugger, and that facility is also available in the IDE, that is called debugger. So debugger and the compiler and the text editor, all these things are combined on a one place, that is called IDE. So debugger help us to remove the error or debug the error from the program. Now again come to the IDE, Integrated Development Environment, and different aspect. Most common features such as debugging, as I have explained, versions control and data structure browsing help our developer quickly execute actions without switching to other application. Thus, it helps maximize productivity by providing similar user interface, UI, user interface, and IDE supports single or multiple languages. In this paragraph, they explain that the IDE help us to write the program, to write the source code, and compile the source code and remove the errors. All the things are on one place. That's why we are switching very quickly and we can improve or maximize our productivity of the software. Some IDEs support different programming languages. For example, we can write different program on the same place of different programming languages. For example, Turbo C, C++, C Sharp, Python, Java, etc. So students, let's see what is IDE, current IDE that we are going to use in our C language program or C++ program. In this picture, we can see in this IDE environment, we have all things on one place. Text editor means you are writing something. Document viewer, indexer, autocomplete, syntax, coloring, everything is available in the text editor. Means you can increase the font size, you can change the font color, you can write the text, etc. That is called text editor. After that, there is a builder. Builder means special system softwares. Those softwares are used to compile the program or to convert the program or source code into the machine code. So we have compiler and further parts of the compiler. We can see linker, assembler, parser, lexer. These are the tools to convert the program into machine language. After that, on the right side, we have a debugger, that is GUI. And the most important thing of IDE is that it is GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. It means that one can easily approach any menu, any icon, and easy to operate that environment. That's why it is GUI. So, third part of the IDE is debugger, as I have explained separately. But all these things are combined together, then it make the IDE integrated development environment. Debugger means you have to find out the errors and you have to remove the errors. So student, in the last we can see C language environment, that is IDE. In your screen you can see a C language program in front of you, and this one is a C language IDE. We can see different options are there: compiling, linking, and see the output. All these things are on the one place. There is a menu, text editor you have to open, and you have to create new file or source code. Text editing is also there, compiling is also there, and debugger is also there in this IDE of C language. We can see in this picture. And soon we are going to apply our C language program in this environment that provide us facility that you can write turbo C language program as well as you can write C++ program in this IDE environment that is provided by Borland C++. I hope students you have understood about the IDE environment, integrated development environment, and in the upcoming days, we are going to apply the first C language program in this IDE environment. So I hope that you have understood. If you have any question, you can ask. In the next video, we will come with a new topic. So until that, Allah Hafiz. I am going to signing out.